There are many places in Snapshot where you can explain things. So, for example, if we are in impact analysis, you can choose any one of the assets on the screen and explain it. Here we are in field usage, and if you're looking at a complex report, you can also choose to explain the report. And here we are in deploy metadata. If we have an error, we can explain the error messages. All of the explain interfaces work in a similar manner. So for example, if we're going to explain this flow, then you'll see the XML of the flow over here at left. You'll see automatically generated documentation about flows, including descriptions of all of the elements in the flow we were just looking at. And then lastly, you'll see your metadata notes, which is where you put your business use case, your business projects, your corporate policies, whatever additional information you want to include about the flow. And then here on the first tab, you can select a prompt. So for example, we might say we want just the functional specification of the flow. You can edit these prompts, and so you can share these with your team and develop your own prompts about what is important to you. And then lastly, you can submit all of this context information to a language model. In this case, we're using GPT-5. And you get an absolutely detailed functional specification here about all of the information about the flow. And what's great is now you can continue the conversation about that particular flow with all of this existing context. All right, that's a quick explanation about how we explain assets, reports, and errors.